Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Petit Vour unboxing. But before we get into that, I do want to go over a couple of products I used today. So on my cheeks, I did use the Organimix, yes, Bunny Snuggles Lip and Cheek Gelée. I used that as my blush today, so that's what's on my cheek. I did just a tiny dab because this is incredibly pigmented, so that is what I've got going on the cheeks, and I actually really like that. Do plan on keeping that. I think it's lovely. And then as a highlighter, like there, and then a brow bone, a little on my lip, I used this product from Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is the Warm Peach Highlighter. I was worried it might be a little dark on me, but it seems to be pretty good. And actually, I didn't show you the color of the Organimix Bunny Snuggles. There's that. Really pretty. And then on my eye, I did an all-over look with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This was called like highlighting powder or sparkle powder or something in the color Earth, which is going to be hard to show you because of the sifter top. But I did that on the lid with just a teeny tiny little bit of a darker brown in the crease, but not like significantly so. And I think it looks really pretty. So 3 for 3 with these newer products that I tried today. I think they were all fantastic, and I'm going to be keeping all of them, and they're lovely. So that is my review on that. So before we get started, I do just want to reiterate, over the course of the next month, maybe a little over a month, videos are going to be sporadic. There may be days where I normally post that I just don't post anything. Things might come late. So just please be a little forgiving towards me, as we have a lot going on behind the scenes, and I'll let you guys know about that eventually. But with that said, let's go ahead and open this Petit Vour box. I've had this for a couple days and not really paid any attention to it because, like I said, we've been busy. So let's go ahead and open it. We're getting 4 products in this box, and here is the card. It's interesting, kind of color by numbers looking, semi-botanical looking. So the first thing on top here are these 2 little packets. They look like tea packets, right? And these are by Busy Co. for Angry Skin, Zen Skin. Age-defying face wipes. Soothes and moisturizes sensitive skin. So they're both the same thing. And let's read about these real quick. So the Busy Co. facial serum pads. These are $1.50 value, the 2 that I've gotten. And it says, face anything head on with this refreshing face wipe that calms and tones skin while promoting healing and skin cell renewal. So it sounds to me, I mean, the ingredients seem pretty good. It sounds to me like this is probably something you might keep with you on the go. Instead of taking a toner with you, you might use this post face wash, or kind of as a quick, sorry, that was my phone, that was really loud, as a quick like combo face wipe / toner type thing. Interesting. I'll probably just use them up really quickly as a toner just to use them up, but I don't know that this is a form factor I would purchase. I do like getting new and innovative things though, so that's a win for me. Next we have from Ebio Beauty, the black mascara in Mascara Noir. Oh no, that just says it in another language. So it's their black mascara. And I do believe I've gotten a lip gloss from this brand. Let me check. Yes, I have this really pretty lip gloss in this really nice cream peachy nude from Ebio Beauty. And this is a really nice product. I quite like that. So let's check out the mascara. You've got the same green theme, the sagey green, running through. And, oh, the product itself is that pretty color too. So, that's exciting. I will always use a mascara. They will always get used, even if I don't like them. I like trying new mascaras. We've got like a standard brush bristle-wise, but it's got a curve in it. Very interesting. So, very excited about that. We're 2 for 2 so far with things, but let me read you the description because I almost forgot. Ebio Beauty mascara. This is a $24 value, so that's basically the entire value of the box, plus a clean volumizing mascara to give your lashes a boost and natural effect. One coat for a defined look, or layer one without clumping or crunching. So 2 for 2. Very happy so far. We've had some good boxes this month actually. So this is from Mahina Butte, and this is the Rejuvenating Body Oil with Ormus. So here's what that looks like. I'm going to be less picky about if there's fragrance stuff in here since it is for the body. And I love that there's a pump. Sometimes when you get like body serum oil type things like this, it's got the dropper, and I hate trying to use the dropper after you get out the shower and you're wet and it's just annoying. So the pump I'm quite a fan of, but let's read about this. So this is an $11 value for 30 milliliters. This fast absorbing Ormus body oil provides a burst of mineralizing and hydrating properties to the entire body for a radiant looking skin. So that's exciting. It does seem like there are some things in here I wouldn't put near my face, but since it's for body, more than happy to give that a try. So not the most exciting thing, but definitely something I'll use. So 3 for 3 so far. And the last item, let's see what this is. Bali Balm, lemon and black pepper lip balm. So that sounds interesting. Lemon and black pepper sounds like a fun combination of flavors. Let's read about this before I open it up. This is a $26 value. That's insane for a lip balm, but okay, for 15 milliliters. So we're already at pretty much $50 value on the box, at least 60, over $60 value at this point for the box, which is really nice. This rich, intensive formula contains plant oils high in antioxidants that absorb quickly and lock in moisture without leaving a waxy film on your lips. So if it's really intensive, this might be a nice one to keep on the nightstand for nighttime. Or it might be nice to keep in the purse for like winter time. So here's what the product looks like. This packaging, this kind of like dark green packaging, kind of reminds me of the Body Shop. It does smell very lemony. I don't smell any pepper though. Maybe I would if I actually poured it out, but I'm not going to pour it out since I've got lipstick on anyway. I don't want to just put it on my hand. It does not appear to be colored. No, it doesn't seem to have any color to it. But this is definitely something I'll use, and I'm very excited to try. So this box for me, 4 for 4. Gonna use and try all these products, and that is the best I can ask for. Getting a box where I'm willing to try everything and I don't feel the need to pass on everything or use it in a different way. So I'm really excited about this box. This was a great box this month. Honestly, I'm pretty pleased with quite a few of my boxes this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. I will try to link to everything I am wearing today. This is an old season dress, but I'll see if I can find something different. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!